From finding the recycling schedule to getting information about a neighborhood development, municipalities need to have a website that's easy to navigate. Peter Knapp is the co-founder of Upanup, and he joins us now to talk more about this. Hi, Peter.
Hello.
So, what is the mission of Upanup?
Well, our mission or our purpose really is to help people in their everyday lives find the information that they need quickly and easily. And so we do this through working with a lot of different municipalities, so local governments, cities, towns, districts, that kind of thing, as well as utilities. And we reach a lot of people that way and can help a lot of people just in their everyday life tasks, the little things, but it makes a difference.
Why should a municipality or a utility use Upanup in particular?
Well, there's many reasons. Really what it comes down to is the quality of our work, but the quality that comes from a focus on the individual users. So the actual citizens that they're communicating with. And our focus is so much on those people and making sure that those people get the information that they need easily. So we've actually interviewed and gone through testing with hundreds of individuals when it comes to city websites, having them run through tasks to show us what works and what doesn't work. And there's nothing like using an actual user, sitting down with somebody, and they can be people from all different walks of lives, all different ages, and going through a task and saying, how does this actually work for somebody who maybe hasn't been on a computer all their life the way that we have, and that they're able to do what they need to do. And that's made us exceptionally good at what we do over the last 10 years as we've kind of built our expertise.
Can you give us an example of how Upanup has helped a client operate more efficiently?
Sure, you bet. So one of our clients that comes to mind is the Township of King, which is a municipality based in Ontario, and they are relatively small. They have a 30,000 people population. But they came to us, like many clients do, looking for assistance with their primary kind of public-facing website. And that's the website that people would go to when they want to learn information about the township in terms of kind of, when to put their garbage out at the curb, what certain bylaws are, what developments are going on, what events are happening in the municipality, that kind of stuff. So they came to us for that. We designed and built them a site with a big focus on their users. There's user testing involved. And it went so well that kind of parlayed into other pieces as we started kind of pulling in and connecting that site with other technology, either that the township already had or that we were creating for them. So, and some of our stuff for them is kind of pre-built, and some of it's custom built, but it helps give information about a wide range of things. So one example is that we actually do, we built the site for the King libraries as well. So they have a number of libraries within their district, as many districts do. And so there's all sorts of things that people need to do through a library website. There's their conservation areas, parks, there's their heritage. Those all have different pieces. We have another piece where people can actually connect to the district to submit sort of a ticket in terms of some work that needs to be done or an issue that they've come across. So even like as simple as potholes in the road or that kind of thing, or some sort of issue in relation to parks or that kind of stuff, so that they can actually issue a ticket, they can hear back, they can follow the ticket and hear back from the municipality about that. So there's such a wide range of things because it's so important for municipalities to stay really connected with their citizens. And so that's an example where we help them in all sorts of different aspects, and it definitely helps them operate more efficiently, but also helps give them happier citizens.
What sets Upanup apart from the competition?
Well, I think it's really is our focus on the end users, probably more than anything, and the testing that we do directly with individuals for how things work when they're interacting with sites. And I mean, the other thing is that we're a relatively small independent company, and that does make a difference. So we're management owned, all of our work is done by our team. Our team is about 30 people, and we're able to do so much within that team. It's quite amazing. But we really care about the work that we're doing, and so we're not cogs in a huge wheel that's part of a much larger company. We're actually just very focused on this one niche, and we're really good at it.
So for municipalities and utilities that are interested in working with Upanup, how easy is it to get started?
Well, it's a matter of getting in touch with us. We actually have offices in 3 different time zones in North America, so that makes it easy for our clients. It makes it easy for us too to make sure that we can kind of match up with time zones for setting up meetings and that kind of stuff. But we have different clients or potential clients contact us all the time at different stages where they're at. So it all depends on them, but it really they could be contacting us early on in a process just to kind of gather information and understand what a plan might look like. What they're going to need to look at for budgeting, or they might be at the process of like actually needing something right away, and it's more of a pre-built solution that we can actually implement for them. So there's a wide range, but really it just always starts with getting in touch, and we're happy to hear from anybody.
All right, Peter Knapp, co-founder of Upanup. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
And thank you for tuning in as well. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.